Your mind is a team of three powerful players, each with a unique role. The conscious mind, the parent, setting intentions and making decisions. The subconscious mind, the child, absorbing and acting on what it's given. The superconscious mind, the mentor, connecting you to higher intelligence and infinite possibilities. And when these three work together, you unlock the full power of manifestation. Together, we'll explore how they interact, their unique roles, and how you can align them to transform your life. So let's dive in. Let's start with the conscious mind. Think of it as the parent. It's responsible for making decisions, setting intentions, and directing focus. This is the part of your mind you're using right now to listen to me. It's analytical, it's logical, it's linear and focused, processing only 40 to 50 bits of information per second. It can only handle one thing at a time, which is why multitasking can feel challenging, like having a conversation and solving math at the same time. So compare this to the subconscious, which processes 11 million bits per second. That said, the conscious mind's greatest strength is its ability to focus. With the subconscious, it's like this vast ocean. The conscious mind is like a laser beam, shining its light on a single point. This focus is crucial for setting clear intentions because it tells the subconscious what to work on. So the more clarity and intention you bring to the process, the more aligned your team becomes. Now let's explore the subconscious mind, the powerhouse of manifestation. It processes an incredible 11 bits of information per second, and that's why it runs the majority of your life below the surface. And here's why the subconscious is so powerful. First, it's a parallel processor. The subconscious works like a supercomputer, handling countless processes simultaneously. So while you're having a conversation, it regulates your heartbeat, it controls your breathing, and it filters out all that background noise. Second, it's highly impressionable. The subconscious is like a child, totally innocent, deeply impressionable, and always watching. It doesn't question. It simply absorbs and feeds on whatever you feed it. Third, it doesn't recognize time. The subconscious operates in the present moment only. It doesn't distinguish between past, present, or future, reality or imagination. It reacts as if everything is happening right now. For example, a childhood fear, like being laughed at during a presentation, might still trigger anxiety in adulthood. But this also works in your favor. By tapping into feelings of joy, success, or love, you can program your subconscious to act as if those emotions are your reality now. Fourth, it doesn't recognize size. The subconscious doesn't differentiate between big and small, possible or impossible goals. Whether you're manifesting $10 or $100,000, it processes both the same way. So, for example, you might easily manifest a parking spot because there's no emotional resistance to it. But when it comes to a bigger goal, like say a new career or buying a dream house, your conscious mind may start to introduce doubt through past experiences, and it makes it harder for the subconscious to register them. And this is why it's crucial to treat all manifestations with the same energy of ease and certainty, because everything is one energy. Fifth, it speaks the language of feeling and imagery. The subconscious responds to emotions and symbols, not words. For example, if you're trying to manifest a partner, but you feel unworthy, the subconscious picks up on the feelings of unworthiness because it's emotional and not the words. So instead, focus on cleaning those emotions and replacing them with feelings of being loved, cherished, and valued, because the source of that is within. Finally, let's explore the superconscious mind, the part of you that connects to universal intelligence and infinite possibilities. It operates from a place of perfect clarity, guiding you towards your highest good. The superconscious doesn't judge or control. It orchestrates the how by aligning opportunities, bring people and events together that support you. The superconscious is like a higher intelligence, a source of wisdom working behind the scenes. It doesn't follow human timelines or logic. It's holographic, and it creates pathways and solutions your conscious mind could never predict or expect. So once you've set your intention and program your subconscious, you need to trust the superconscious to handle all the details. Surrender isn't about giving up or resignation. It's about allowing the process to unfold without micromanaging every single detail. That's not trust. So think of it like planting a seed. You don't dig it up every day to see if it's growing. You trust that nature is doing its job. So trust removes all the limits to what you think you can receive. Here is the holistic manifestation formula. Step number 1, enter a relaxed state. Relaxation is the foundation because when you're relaxed, you're open and you're available. So to get into this state, use tools like meditation, breath work, any sort of mindfulness practice. Even 10 minutes of focused breathing can shift you to a calm and relaxed state, where the subconscious becomes more receptive. Take advantage of the moments right before you sleep or when you wake up. This is when your subconscious is wide open to suggestions, and your superconscious can inspire you with ideas. Step number 2, set a clear goal or intention. Be specific without limiting. Be heartfelt and focus on what you desire without worrying about the how. For example, you can affirm, I'm so grateful for the financial abundance flowing into my life that supports my freedom, joy, and ability to pursue my passions. Step number 3, visualize and feel it. Picture your goal as if it's already here, real. Engage all your senses. What does it look like? How does it feel? What emotions does it bring? Pray as if you've already received it. Step number 4, surrender the process. Let the superconscious align the how. Focus on the intention and let the universe orchestrate all the details. Trust removes all the limits to what you think you can receive. Step number 5, follow the nudges. Pay attention to intuitive ideas or synchronicities. They're messages from your superconscious. Act on them without hesitation. By focusing your conscious mind, reprogramming your subconscious, and trusting your superconscious, you create a harmonious flow that transforms your life. If this resonated with you, hit like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.